Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2019 Kia Rio 5 EX in Snow White Pearl. Starting at the front here, we have automatic projection headlights, LED positioning lights, and fog lights, as well as a stylish front grille with chrome trim and a stylish front bumper. Moving on, the Rio comes equipped with 15-inch alloy wheels with 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also includes power-heated side view mirrors with signal repeaters, keyless entry, a sunroof, and both front and rear splash guards. Looking toward the rear now, we have a rear window defroster and a spacious cargo area with a temporary spare tire. Some of the safety features with this model include electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, and a total of 6 airbags. Moving on inside, the EX features a nice cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats, power windows and locks, and a 6-speaker sound system. Looking toward the front now, we have adjustable front headrests, a 6-way adjustable driver seat, and fully automatic climate control. This model also features heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, mounted with both audio and cruise controls for distraction-free driving. Some other great features include AM, FM, MP3, and Sirius XM satellite radio, along with Bluetooth wireless technology, an embedded telematics system, and both USB and auxiliary input ports. The Rio also includes a rear view camera on a 7-inch display. Heading under the hood now, we have a 1.6-liter GDI 4-cylinder engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and 130 horsepower. For any more questions, you can contact us here.